we will do some examples related to algebraic identities. Suppose you have to find out whole square of 8x plus 5y. Then we will use first algebraic identity. What is the first algebraic identity? A plus b whole square is equal to whole square of first plus twice of a and b plus whole square of second. You have to use identity in bracket. In question, what is a? 8x, and what is b? 5y. So we will write, first of all we write left hand side 8x plus 5y whole square. Whole square of first is 8x plus twice of a. What is a? A is 8x multiply what is b? B is 5y and plus whole square of second. Second means b, first means a. You have to write 8x whole square, not 8x whole square in this type. It is wrong. It is right. So we will solve 8x whole square. It means 8 raised to power 2 and x raised to power 2 plus, first of all we will multiply 2 8s are 16, 16 5s are 80 or 5 8s are 40, 42s are 80. You can multiply the constant, then x with y, xy, 80 xy plus, it means 5 square and y square. Now 8 square is 8 multiplied by 8, not 8 multiplied by 2. 8 raised to power 2 is 8 multiplied by 8, not 8 multiplied by 2. 8 8s are 64 and x raised to power 2 plus 80 xy and plus 5 5s are 5 raised to power 2 means 5 5s are 25 y raised to power 2. It is the answer. 64 x raised to power 2 plus 80 xy plus 25 y raised to power 2. If you have to find out the whole square of sum of two numbers, the answer will be trinomial. Trinomial means having three terms, first term, second term and third term. Suppose you have to find out the whole square of 7pq plus 4ab. We will use same identity here. What is a? A is 7pq. A means first number, and what is b? B means second number, 4ab. So we will apply same identity. We will write first of all left hand side is equal to whole square of first 7pq whole square plus twice of first 7pq multiplied by 4ab and plus whole square of second. Second is 4ab. Now we will solve. It is 7 square p square q square plus, same we will multiply the constant, 2 7s are 14 and 14 4s are 56. PQAB. You can write AB PQ, you can write PQ AB, no difference. Plus it is 4 raised to power 2, A raised to power 2 and B raised to power 2. 7 raised to power 2 is 49, 7 7s are 49, P raised to power 2, Q raised to power 2 plus 56, I write AB PQ, same, plus 4 raised to power 2 is 16, A raised to power 2, B raised to power 2. It is the answer. Answer is 49, P raised to power 2, Q raised to power 2 plus 56, A, B, P, Q and plus 16, A raised to power 2 and B raised to power 2. Next example is if you have find out whole square of 2m raised to power 2 plus 3n raised to power 2 and whole square, we will apply same identity. What is A here? First 2m raised to power 2 and what is the value of B? 3n raised to power 2. So we will write first of all right hand side. Here you can write A is 2m raised to power 2, B is 3m raised to power 2. You can write or not as you wish. Whole square of first. What is first? 2m raised to power 2, whole square. Plus twice of first and second. First is 2m raised to power 2 and second is 3n raised to power 2. And plus whole square of second. Second is 3n square. Now we will solve. We will write direct. 2 raised to power 2 is 4 and m raised to power 2, these powers will be multiplied. M raised to power 4 plus 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and m raised to power 2, n raised to power 2 and 3 raised to power 2 is 9 and n raised to power 2 whole power 2, these powers will be multiplied and raised to power 4. It is the answer. 4 m raised to power 4 plus 12 m raised to power 2 n raised to power 2 plus 9 n raised to power 2. One more example related to this identity. If we have find out the value of 52 square by using suitable identity. First of all, we will make it sum of two numbers because it is sum of two numbers. We will write 52 equal to 50 plus 2 because whole square of 50 is very easy, whole square of 2 is very easy. So we will write 50 plus 2 whole square is equal to whole square of first plus twice of first and second. First is 50 and second is 2 plus whole square of 2. What is 50 whole square? It means 50 multiplied by 50. When 1 0 we will write 2 zeros and 5 square is 25. So 50 square is 2500 plus 2 multiplied by 50 or 50 multiplied by 200, 100 multiplied by 2, 200 plus 4. Now we will add because these are like all the constant terms. First of all, we will look ones place 4 0 0 4. Then we will look tens place 0 and 0. Then 100 place 2 and 5 7. Then we will 1000 place it is only 2. The answer is 2007. One more example. if you have find out value of 8 decimal 1 whole square, same we will write sum of two numbers. 8 decimal 1 is 8 plus 0.1. So we will write 8 decimal 1 is 8 plus 0 decimal 1 whole square. What is A is 8. What is B? 0.1. So we will write 8 whole square plus twice of first and second plus whole square of second. We will solve. 8 8s are 64 plus 8 2s are 16 and 16 1s are 16 and 1 decimal place, so we will write 1 decimal 6 plus 0 decimal 1 1 decimal place, so answer will be 2 decimal places. 0.1 multiplied by 0.1, so then 0.01. We will make it like we can write 64.00 plus 1.60 and plus 0.01. Then we will 1 0 0, it is 1, 6 and 0 6. Now decimal 0 1 and 4, 1 and 4 5. Now tens place it is 65. Answer is 65 decimal 6. I hope all these questions will be clear to you by using the first identity. A plus B whole square is whole square of first plus twice of first and second plus whole square of second. Thank you.